Today I'm gonna teach you how to start earning on Clown. The first thing that you need to do is to open social.insaneclownprotocol.com, which you can find in the description. You're welcome. You can use internet identity, which is my suggestion. There's also other options too. You need to, after logging in, you need to also verify your X account. I assume that you've got an X account that has a few followers and it's also like 5 or 6 months old. But if you don't got that, you can buy X Premium if your account is new. It's I think $11. It's one time. So but I think if like your account has around 50-60 followers and you've got a reasonable amount of traffic, you can just click on post and you can post your text that they gave you. They will scan the post and would verify you automatically. You don't need to do anything else. So after doing that, let's say that you're here, your printer at the at the first stage, it wouldn't give you a lot of crypto, let's say that. So as time goes on, you would get clown tickets and your printer would pay you more. You also need to get your clown tickets every day right here and post the promotions that are you can find them in the promotions tab. You need to post like for ICP talk based on this text. I'm gonna make another tutorial on how to deploy the link of that post and what to do based on the promotions. There's also rates. So if you post, deploy a post, you would get crypto every 15 minutes for 7 days. But rates, after the time ends, it would instantly pay you. And rates are really good. Like there's a target post, you need to click on that, it would open on X, and based on the rules here, like that, retweet it, follow them, or add a reply. Your tweet, you don't need to deploy the submit the post like the promotions. They would just find it and add it to your posts here. As you see, this last few days it wasn't like a lot of rates, but also the amount that I have been paid for 2 days isn't that much. But as time goes on, I would get more crypto because my printer would be better. For now, I get like 1 cent every 15 minutes. A few days ago and even a few months ago, I think it was 3 cents a day. The promotions like more little now, but it would get better. I'm kind of happy with it. Like $1 a day, it's not bad. You can also pay for clown tickets, and it's kind of an investment. I paid like 15 ICP for 950k of clown tickets. I got them back, I think in 2 months or 3 months. You can click on the mine button here, and it would deploy the token in your wallet, and you can just withdraw or do whatever that you want with that token. Or you can just turn them to clown tickets and upgrade your printer with the money that they give you. I hope I helped you. Bye bye.